Tell us a quick story. What just happened?
Bought a car, another MINI Cooper.
But to get the car on the trailer,
Yeah, the truck broke down on the way here. But we fixed it in the guy's driveway.
because the problem was,
Oil pressure sensor switch.
yeah. Nice job.
After an intermittent stop engine immediately message, we limped to an auto parts store to read an ECU code. Faulty oil pressure switch. We bought a switch, made it to the seller's house, and Daniel changed out the switch and screen in the driveway. The seller was very generous with tools and support. Then we were on our way. Lunch stop, and of course we had to check out the car in the parking lot.
Take it back, show us this thing, man. What is it?
The 05 MINI Cooper S.
It's a project car like the previous one, but runs, drives, and seems to have been maintained. True to form, Daniel's looking forward to the project and learning new things.
Our minis are multiplying.